Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to add free virtual backgrounds in Zoom to your video feeds, giving you cool looks like this. Maybe you want to be on the beach or somewhere else. You can easily add your own images to the back. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. But let's go ahead and dive right into this Zoom tutorial. All right, so go ahead and load up Zoom on your computer, and we're going to be showing you how to use their default images that they have within the program, as well as we're going to show you how to upload your own background image if you want a custom image in the background. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings here in Zoom. So in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see a little gear or sprocket. It should be right under your face or logo there that you've uploaded into Zoom. So go ahead and left click on that. That's going to open up the settings window here in the middle of your screen on your computer. Now from there, we need to go ahead and find this option right here in the middle that says backgrounds and filters. We can go ahead and left click on that. That's going to load up an option that we can change the background here. So right now I am set to none. So if you want to remove the background, you can click on none here. But it's giving you a few different images as well as a couple different videos. Now, the first time you click on these, it might say download. So you'll have to click on download right in the image to get these onto your computer, but you can just go ahead and select through these and have a look at them. So you can see the Golden Gate Bridge, there's some grass, and you can see it actually does a pretty good job of cutting me out here in the image. The other one here is of the Earth from space. And again, there's a couple different videos as well here. So it looks like the Northern Lights, as well as you can put yourself on the beach. Now, I do want to show you how to add your own image here as well. So let's go ahead and you'll see a little plus sign here right in the corner, right above the one image. And if you go ahead and left click on that, you're going to see two options. We're only going to do image today, but if you do have a video you'd like to add as well, you could click on add video. We're going to do the image today, so just click on add image. And it's going to allow you to browse your computer for an image to put in the background. Now, I just happen to have this brick wall here on my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on that, hit open, and it's going to open up and put a brick wall behind me here in Zoom. And it's really that simple to add that to your video feed here in Zoom. Now, if I actually close these settings and start a new meeting, you can see that it's going to bring that right into my meeting. I'll just shut that so you can see, and you can see everything that's going on. It works great with a brick background. So I hope this quick tutorial on adding free virtual backgrounds in Zoom did help you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. And remember to subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.